Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 35 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. The first course is Build a Chat Web with Node.js, Socket.to, Express.js, MongoDB. In this course, you will create a chat app from scratch and communicate it with friends and family. This course is for our on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent variety, and certification vision. The next course is Web Scraping with Beginner with Python, Scrappy, BS4. In this course, you will learn how to extract data from the website using Python, Scrappy, and Beautiful Show. This course is for our on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Python for Abstract Beginner 2021 First Part. In this course, you will learn Python programming language, world's most popular language for web development, data science, artificial intelligence. This course is to on-demand video, to article, full lifetime access, excellent variety, and certification completion. The next course is Power BI for beginner. In this course, you will learn Power BI, connect to various data sources, transform data, publish data. This course is 6 hour on-demand video, 6 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Machine Learning, a beginner basic introduction. In this course, you will install environment to machine learning, understand basic machine learning vocabulary, explore the machine learning framework, understand supervised machine learning, create a basic home estimator calculator, load a dataset, make prediction from dataset. These course are to around the 1 year full lifetime access, excellent variety, and certification completion. The next course is build 10 JavaScript projects in less than 6 hours. In this course, we will build an interactive quiz app, build to-do app, build a calculator app, build a digital clock app, build a countdown timer app, build a loan calculator app, build an analog clock app, build BMI calculator app, build a height converter app, build a word count calculator app. These courses in 5.5 hour on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next was a comprehensive SQL bootcamp, beginner to advanced. In this course, you will learn SQL from scratch and become an expert. This course is 8.5 hour on-demand video, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is creating online dashboard and story map using ArcGIS Online. In this course, you will learn uploading geospatial data into a ArcGIS server, and they will be able to create maps, dashboard, and story map out of it. This course is 2.5 hour on-demand video, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next is Python for Beginner 2021 Basic to Advanced 12-link Masterclass. In this course, you will quickly gulp up Python basic quickly in crash course, then move to or master it, building portfolio, applying gigs as soon as possible. This course is 3.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next was a complete responsive web development 4 course in 1. In this course, you will master yourself in HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, jQuery, and responsive web development. This course is 6 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is SEO 2021 Training with SEO Expert for Beginners. In this course, you will learn improve website using proven SEO technique, researching keyword that matter, what are the Google robots and how they work, what are the optimized content on your website as for SEO, internal linking, creating HTML and XML sitemap using Google Webmaster Tool, on-page SEO that will make your content look great in Google site. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, 5 article, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next was financial analysis and financial modeling using MS Excel. In this course, you will learn how to use MS Excel to create an automated calculation of financial ratio, become a proficient in Excel data tools like sorting, filtering, data validation, and data importing, implementation, predictivity ML models such as simple and multiple linear regression to predict outcome to real-world finance problems. Knowledge of all essential Excel formula required for financial analysis. This course is 10.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and statistical conditions. The next course is Scrum Fundamental for Scrum Master and Agile Project 2021. In this course, you will master the Scrum concept necessary for Scrum Master certification and Agile Scrum Project Management. This course into around 3 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and certification completion. The next course is Investing in Stock for Beginner Part 1, Django Free. In this course, you will become successful in investing in the stock market by mastering how to choose winning stock and analysis chart. This course will do around 1 downloadable resources for lifetime access, Excel volatility, and statistical completion. The next is Startup and Innovation A/B testing of KPI with Lean Startup. In this course, you will create a startup, understand what you focus to grow your startup, learn to use KPI modern startup approach. This course is for on-demand video, 1 article, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and statistical completion. The next is Shopify Guide. Start your own clothing brand with Shopify. In this course, you will learn basic concept of business, creating a cloth brand without money. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and statistical completion. The next is Shopify Guide, the complete Shopify store creation course. In this course, you will learn how to build Shopify store from scratch, understand how to run an e-commerce from your home, be able to improve your store and add many different things, learn different tips and tricks, understand the way to make money store more performant. This course in 2.5 hour video, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and statistical completion. The next course is Skillshare Course Marketing. In this course, you will learn option for marketing Skillshare course. This course is taught in English. This course in 2.5 on-demand video, 2 articles, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and certification completion. The next course is Speed Reading, 100x Speed Reading, and Memory 5 course in 1. In this course, you will learn speed reading, memory, advanced speed reading, 900 WPM, up to 5 hours of laser-like focus, solid memory, fast note taking. This course is for on-demand video, 23 articles, 23 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and certification completion. The next course is Neuroplasticity, how to rewire your brain. In this course, you will learn neuroplasticity, certification, change habit, stop procrastination, and alter memories based on neuroscience research. This course is 3 on-demand video, 2 articles, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and certification completion. The next course is Nutrition Certification, go from zero to hero in nutrition. In this course, you will learn nutrition, dieting, weight loss, nutrition certification, building muscle, healthy eating, meal planning, fat loss, diet. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, 33 articles, 35 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and certification completion. The next course is Herbology for Beginners. In this course, you will learn plant biology, pharmacology. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 5 articles, 6 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and certification completion. The next course is 2021 Mastering Energy and Power System Optimization in GEMS. In this course, you will learn online guide to how to run GEMS like a pro. Complete practical example, take your game skills to a next level now. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, 1 article, 27 downloadable resources to practice test, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, assignment, and certification completion. The next will complete Korean course, learn Korean for beginners. In this course, you will learn 600 most useful vocabulary word, top most useful phrase you can use for everyday situation, proper Korean pronunciation, read and write in Korean, easily order foods and drink, pronounce words correctly without hearing them first. Greet people and introduce yourself formally and casually, the building blocks of Korean grammar. This course is 33.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel volatility, and certification completion. The next course is Advanced Heat Transfer Thermal Radiation. In this course, you learn thermal radiation, black body, Kirchhoff, Planck, and mean displacement law, view factor, radiation action, and more. This course in 7.5 on demand over one article, one downloadable resource with full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and solution of mission. The next course is got hip pain. Do it now. No surgery required. This course will learn the overcome chronic hip pain and hip impingement without the need of surgery. This course will 6 hours on demand over two downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and solution of mission. The next course is Sahara Jin Piano Master the Myth Method. In this course, we will learn 90 years of piano experience in one course. This course is 3.5 on demand video to downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, assignment, and certification mission. The next course is Affinity Publisher Guide, Affinity Publisher for Beginner. In this course, you will Affinity Publisher Basic, creation of basic book, in Affinity Publisher, creation of advanced book cover, creation of magazine style document. This course is 3 hours on demand video, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Work from Home, the Amazon FBA Master Plan. In this course, you will learn build an online business faster and easily, selling ridiculous simple products on Amazon. This course is 3 hours on demand video, 3 articles, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Facebook Ad Page Monetization with a shop for a Facebook ad. In this course, you will create a Facebook shop to your Facebook page with Shopify from Facebook monetization and use a Facebook ad for traffic. This course will do around video, one article to the full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Google Data Studio A to Z for data visualization and dashboard. In this course, you will use of Google Data Studio to create report and data visualization from Google Sheet, Google Analytics, Google Ads, BigQuery. This course is 4 hours on demand video, 2 article, 1 downloadable series, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. The next course will learn French very easily as a child French language course too. In this course, you will learn French language course, French for intermediate, French speakers, 3-minute French. This course will do around demand video, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. The next course is Certified Kubernetes Administration CKA Practice Test 2021. In this course, you will learn 3 practice tests, full lifetime access, excellent mobility. The next course is Adobe Lightroom Masterclass Beginner to Expert. In this course, you will learn to sort, filter, organize, and edit photo like a pro in comprehensive guide of Adobe Lightroom. This course is 8 hours on demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. The next course is IT Security 101 Cyber Security for Beginners. In this course, we will learn the cybersecurity best practice steps to securing computer networks from internal and external IT security threats. This course is 32 minutes on demand video, full lifetime access, excellent mobility, and certification completion. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.